You're watching How Leap. Let's learn 5 different ways to launch Siri on your iPhone or iPad. First, the classic method, press and hold the side button on the right side of your device until Siri appears. On older iPhones with a home button, press and hold the home button. Second, use voice activation. Simply say, "Hey Siri," ensure. This feature is enabled in Settings, Siri and Search. Listen for Hey Siri. Third, use your headphones. If you have AirPods or compatible headphones, press and hold the force sensor on the stem or the call button to activate Siri. Fourth, use CarPlay. If your car supports it, press and hold the voice command button on your steering wheel. Fifth, use accessibility settings. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Siri, and enable Type to Siri. This allows you to activate Siri by typing instead of speaking. You can also add Siri to your back tap. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap, and assign a double or triple tap to Siri. Now tap the back of your iPhone to launch Siri. Choose the method that fits your situation best. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.